Welcome to Artful and Win channel. This is a place to share beautiful and wise words, valuable knowledge from the sages, that still hold great value for our generation today. We hope that the content we share will bring joy and benefit to you. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you very much.
20 epic tips to declutter fast that are low effort and stress-free. Decluttering quickly has its benefits. First, it's perfect for when guests are coming over. You want to create a welcoming environment without worrying about judgment. Second, if you're moving, decluttering saves time, energy, and money on packing and shipping. Third, personal or family crises may require fast action. Lastly, excess clutter can negatively impact your health. Here are some tips to help you declutter quickly and efficiently. 1. Stop the inflow of clutter. Reduce impulse spending and set a budget. 2. Do a trash sweep. Quickly go through your house with a garbage bag and throw away trash. 3. Remove distractions. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and focus on decluttering. 4. Donate more. Choose donation over selling or giving away clutter. 5. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on high-impact areas and items you use most frequently. 6. Be ruthless. Let go of things you don't need or love. 7. Set a timer. Allocate specific time slots for decluttering. 8. Create drop zones for clutter. Designate areas to temporarily store clutter until you have time to deal with it. Be decisive about what to keep and what to let go. If you have to ask yourself if you want to keep something, then it's probably a no. Declutter in short bursts of time. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in just 15-30 minutes. Designate a place to quickly drop off clutter when you don't have time to deal with it. Keep these drop zones out of sight or contained in a basket or bin. Instead of putting items back in their proper place immediately, put them in a single basket. Return them to their rightful space when you're done decluttering. View decluttering as a fun activity by playing games, participating in challenges, or listening to upbeat music or podcasts. Don't hesitate to ask for help from friends, family, or professional organizers. Supportive services are available in local churches, charity groups, and community centers. Send clutter out the door right after decluttering a space. Don't let it sit around and tempt you to bring it back into your home. Ask yourself if you really need multiples of the same item. Most of the time, one or a few will suffice.
thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you and have a great day.